Hey guys, what's up? I hope you're doing fine. And today is 25th of July. The stock which we are going to analyze today is Sun Pharma. So this is the daily time frame of Sun Pharma, and here we can see that the stock is in a good uptrend and now it has retraced a bit. So to check out the retracement level, we use the FIBO tool and we apply the FIBO tool from the last swing to the highest point. We can see that Sun Pharma has formed a strong support zone at the 0.382 levels, and in many of my videos I've already told you that 0.382 levels and 0.5 levels are considered to be healthy retracement points. So this is the first confirmations which we get. And now when we look at the pattern which Sun Pharma has formed is the bullish flag pattern. So if I draw a trend line like this and another trend line like this and a pole like this, we can see that Sun Pharma has formed a bullish flag pattern and also given the breakout of the same. You can see the volume of the breakout candle, it is more than average, so that gives us more confidence. Also look at the breakout. After the breakout, Sun Pharma came down and tested the trend line again of the bullish flag pattern, and now it is going up. So this is also another confirmation that the stock has done a retest of the breakout levels and now it is going up. And if you ask me, or you might be thinking now that okay, why didn't we enter in this stock just after the breakout? So let me tell you, on the 60 minutes time frame when we go, what we can see here is, here the stock had formed a resistance level. So this is the early time frame, and here we can see that this zone was created by Sun Pharma and it had resisted this zone approximately 4 to 5 times, and now finally it has broken this zone and now this zone is acting as a support. So guys, the term for this is known as change in polarity, and what exactly it means is, whenever a stock breaks a resistance, then that resistance, it will be acted as support for that stock. The same thing is happening here. This zone was a resistance for Sun Pharma and now it has broken with good volumes, and now Sun Pharma is probably going to take support over here. So this is the third confirmation what we have. And if we talk about the stop loss and the targets, so if the first stop loss which we can keep here is approximately of 680 levels, but that is going to be a tight stop loss. So if you want to give some cushion to the stop loss, then you can keep a stop loss around 672 to 673 levels. Now here, if I talk about giving cushion to the stop loss, you have to understand that if you keep a stop loss of this level, you have to achieve target according to that stop loss only. You have to keep a minimum RR ratio of 1:2, and why this is a minimum RR ratio? Because guys, we are doing swing trading, we are not doing into intraday, we are doing swing trading. So basically the minimum RR ratio we opt for should be 1:2. And here if we talk about the target, the first target, obviously it is going to be the all-time high of the stock, that is around 721, and the probability is quite high that if the stock breaks the all-time high, then we can expect some good move from here. So we can keep trailing a stop loss and we can improve our RR ratio to 1:2.5 or 1:3. So this was it guys. Let me repeat all the confirmations. If we use the FIBO tool on our daily time frame, we get a support of 0.382 levels. That's a healthy retracement point. Secondly, we got a breakout of the bullish flag pattern, and also the retest was done by the stock and now it is moving up. On the early time frame, we have got a breakout of a resistance zone and now it is acting as support. So these are the three confirmations which we have guys. I hope you have learned something from this video, and if you have, please do share my video with your friends and family. Also comment down below what are your thoughts about this video. Also subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload the video, guys. Thank you so much, guys.